The Tenba Roadie 24 is the absolute toughest rolling case for traveling photographers, content creators, and videographers. We'll show you why we think our rolling cases beat every other rolling case out there. First off, let's check out the large diameter, shock-absorbing, big bad wheels. That's bad as in good. Rolls over curbs, cobblestone, gravel, sidewalks, you name it. The shock-absorbing wheel design keeps you rolling smoothly so the case carrying your precious cargo won't wobble or topple. We're confident these wheels will outlast any others, but we know that accidents happen, so we made them user replaceable. These bags are seriously tough with a rigid honeycomb internal shell. When we press on a Tenba Roadie compared to an industry-leading rolling case, you can see the difference. The Tenba won't flex. That built-in honeycomb frame is protecting thousands of dollars worth of your valuable gear. Other rolling cases simply aren't doing it. But just how much gear? Well, it will fit up to 3 bodies and a whole bunch of lenses. And it's easy to adjust for super telephoto zooms, lighting, and portrait kits. And cinema gear too. We've even made portions of the floor padding removable for some extra depth. This way, longer lenses like a 70-200 or 100-400 will fit standing up with room to spare. And like our other Roadies, it's got a ton of other features we think traveling content creators won't want to live without. Woven in tough YKK zippers to last a lifetime. You can use the built-in zipper lock for the main compartment to keep your gear away from quick hands. A long side pocket for tripods, compact light stands, or an umbrella. A security cable so your Roadie won't find its way into someone else's car. A reversible black-silver rain cover to both block the wet weather and reflect the sun's heat. Comfy leather-trimmed carry handles on top and side to lift a full kit with ease. A tethered lid to keep a small footprint and pockets for all your smaller stuff. A hidden AirTag tracker sleeve so you always know where your Roadie is. A custom-designed 3-stage trolley handle that adjusts to your height. It's the most rugged trolley handle we've ever made, but it's also user replaceable because, well, stuff happens. And our Add-A-Bag strap holds your backpack, messenger bag, or reflectors to the front of the case so you can give your shoulders a break. It even works for Apple boxes. The case will fit a 16-inch laptop and a bunch of other accessories well organized in the front pocket. This is just one piece of the Tenba Roadie collection. There's the Roadie 21 International, the 22 Spinner, and the 21 Air case that's shippable and airport checkable. Tenba's Roadie V224 is a workhorse that will move through the roughest terrain and keep your essential camera and lighting gear safer than any other case.